Hello, viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Shaik Babji. In this session, we are going to learn formation of verbs from nouns. So here I have given some list of nouns and verbs. Let's see how they can form from noun to verb. Okay. So advice, ADVICE. See here, you can notice the spelling. ADVIC is the noun and ADVISE is the verb. Advice, advise. Apology, apologize. Act, enact. Admission, noun form, and the verb form is admit. Arrival is the noun form and its verb form is arrive. Attendance, verb form is attend. Application, verb form is apply. Appearance, verb form is appear. Assurance, verb form is assure. Bath, verb form is bathe. Behavior, verb form is behave. Belief, verb form is believe. Bliss, verb form is bless. Breath, verb form is breath. Blood, verb form is bleed. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updating videos. Thank you.